I'm here for the talk on using Bayesian network for epidemic detection and description. So the main idea of the talk is that if we can integrate machine learning tools so as to early detect the epidemic. And the talk was focused more on chikungunya model, where the Bayesian network was developed on this particular disease. And the aim was to detect this particular disease in, say, for example, 48 hours of the time. And the results, the methodology that I talked on is based on Bayesian network, and wherein I proposed the methodology of mining the high support, high confidence rules, and those particular rules mined using exploiting the causal structure of the Bayesian network were used in order to detect this chikungunya virus in 48 hours of time. Yeah, so nowadays, yes, you must be observing that data science tools are using in every domain, like no matter it's an environmental domain, a medical domain, or say for example, any traffic domain. So any domain you talk on, machine learning tools are very much in. So there are a lot of varieties of tools that machine learning has, but one has to find out the right tool, identify what particular problem it suits and what kind of results that we are getting. So if the aim is mere prediction, then there are a lot of supervised models that can be used on. But if the main aim is not only prediction but describing the event, then there are the models like Bayesian network, decision trees, which can be used to solve the purpose. So machine learning models are basically, now since we all know that the data is increasing day by day, and we cannot inspect the data by just seeing them. So we need machine learning models so that it can automatically learn from the data and give us some few insights that a domain wants. Yeah, so the most important things nowadays require is the libraries which Python supports. I think any of the programming language, no matter it's an R or Python, that's a must. But besides that, if you are machine learning, if you are doing the machine learning tasks, then scikit-learn is something that you need to work on. Besides scikit-learn, there are a lot of other libraries which are coming in Python, which does the expert query processing tasks that includes Stan and Edward for any kind of probabilistic reasoning. But scikit-learn is very much important. Plus, I can assure that you also need to have a good statistical background in order to apply the machine learning model. So maths is the must, and besides that you need to have some foundations in different ML models, and third thing that you require is the language that supports both of them. So MLDS, I've been here for the first time, and it's a great experience and exposure. We are having the experts from all different organizations, the big ones, say for example, Microsoft is here, IBM guys is here to deliver the talks on what they are experiencing nowadays for the problems and what solution they are providing to give the appropriate guideline on how that particular problem can be solved using machine learning. So it's a great platform, and I look forward for MLDS next year to share all my experience, what research I do in this particular year, and then I can present the same for the next year. Thank you.